Have you ever wondered what it takes to build a successful project team? Hi, I'm Andrew from PM Aspirant. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our insights and strategies on project management. In today's video, we're talking about a critical part of project success, building a project team. No matter how well you plan your project, it's the people who bring that plan to life. So, understanding how to effectively build and manage a project team is key. We'll cover the key concepts you need to know, including team roles, development stages, leadership styles, and much more to help you get the best from your team. First things first, let's talk about defining roles and responsibilities. One of the most important steps in building a project team is ensuring that everyone knows their role and how they contribute to the project's success. You'll want to clearly define the roles, responsibilities, and authority levels of each team member. This prevents confusion and ensures that everyone is aligned on what's expected from them. A great tool to avoid this is the RACI Matrix, which stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. This chart helps assign roles and responsibilities so that every task is covered and there's no overlap or ambiguity. For example, someone may be responsible for completing a task while someone else may be accountable for ensuring it gets done. Having these roles clearly defined at the beginning of the project helps ensure that every team member understands their responsibilities and how their work contributes to the project's success. As your project team begins working together, you'll notice that they go through a process of development. This is where Tuckman's 5 stages of team development come in. These stages help explain how teams grow and evolve. 1. Forming. At this stage, team members are polite, but may feel uncertain about their roles or how the team will work together. As a project manager, you should focus on building trust and providing clear direction. 2. Storming. This is when conflicts may arise as people begin to assert their opinions. It's your job to guide the team through this phase by managing conflicts and ensuring healthy communication. 3. Norming. In this phase, team members start working more cohesively. They've figured out how to collaborate and are becoming more comfortable with their roles. As a project manager, you can now focus on optimizing team processes. 4. Performing. By now, the team is highly functional, and everyone is working efficiently toward the project goals. Your job at this stage is to remove any barriers that could disrupt their flow and ensure the team stays motivated. 5. Adjourning. Once the project or phase is complete, the team disbands. As a project manager, it's important to provide recognition for their contributions and help transition them to new roles. Understanding these stages helps you support your team as they develop and ensures you address issues early on, before they impact the project. A strong project team needs a good resource management plan. This includes tools like the team charter, which outlines the team's values, agreements, and processes. It serves as a guide for team behavior and decision-making throughout the project. Additionally, a good resource management plan includes resource calendars. This ensures that everyone is available when needed and tasks are assigned to the right people at the right time, minimizing bottlenecks and delays. Now let's talk about team building activities. It's essential to build trust, improve communication, and strengthen relationships within your team. Whether through icebreakers, problem-solving exercises, or off-site events, these activities help create a strong foundation for teamwork. If you're managing a colocated team, you can take advantage of face-to-face interaction. However, in today's world, many teams are virtual, which comes with its own set of challenges. Managing a virtual team requires different approaches. Using tools like video conferencing, project management software, and cloud collaboration tools can help bridge the gap. It's also important to regularly check in with virtual teams, ensuring that they feel connected and part of a unified effort despite the distance. To build a motivated team, understanding motivational theories is crucial. Here are a few to keep in mind. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. According to Maslow, people are motivated by a hierarchy of needs, starting with basic needs like job security and salary, and moving up to higher-level needs like recognition and personal growth. For your team, this means making sure that their basic needs are met, while also providing opportunities for them to grow and be recognized for their contributions. Herzberg's motivation hygiene theory. Herzberg identified 2 factors that affect job satisfaction: hygiene factors, like working conditions and salary, and motivators, like achievement and recognition. While hygiene factors prevent dissatisfaction, it's the motivators that truly drive people to perform at their best. McGregor's Theory X and Theory Y. This theory contrasts two management styles. Theory X assumes that people dislike work and need to be closely supervised, while Theory Y assumes that people are self-motivated and thrive with autonomy. Your team likely includes a mix of both, so it's important to adapt your management style accordingly. When it comes to building a project team, your leadership style can make all the difference. You'll need to adapt your style depending on the situation. Situational leadership. In this approach, you may need to direct some team members closely, coach others, support those who need more help, or delegate tasks to highly capable team members. Servant leadership. This style focuses on supporting your team to perform at its best. You're there to remove obstacles, provide resources, and empower them to succeed. Understanding these motivational theories allows you to create a positive, productive environment where your team feels valued and motivated to perform. Conflict is inevitable in any project, but how you manage it can make or break your team. Conflict management is one of the most important skills for a project manager, and you need to be familiar with different conflict resolution techniques, including collaborating, problem solving. This is often the most effective technique because it seeks a win-win solution where both parties feel heard and satisfied. Compromising. Both parties give up something to reach a middle ground. Smoothing, accommodating, focusing on common ground to maintain harmony, although this doesn't solve the underlying conflict. Forcing, imposing a solution, usually in situations where quick action is needed. Avoiding, withdrawing from the conflict, which is typically a temporary solution. But conflict resolution goes beyond just using techniques. Emotional intelligence is essential for managing conflicts and maintaining strong relationships within your team. Emotional intelligence involves being aware of and managing both your own emotions and those of your team members. A project manager with high EI can resolve conflicts more effectively and maintain a positive team atmosphere. Investing in training is essential for developing a high-performing team. Whether it's technical skills, leadership training, or soft skills, making sure your team has the right competencies is critical to project success. Use competency frameworks to assess team members' skills and identify areas for improvement. This helps ensure that everyone is equipped to contribute effectively to the project. Everyone loves recognition for a job well done, right? Building a positive team environment means recognizing and rewarding your team members. Make sure your recognition is tied to specific accomplishments and that your rewards align with the team's values. And don't forget about cultural sensitivity when working with multinational teams. What motivates one person may not motivate another, so be aware of cultural differences when it comes to recognition and rewards. To recap, building a successful project team requires a blend of leadership, communication, and strategic planning. Whether you're managing a colocated or virtual team, understanding these key concepts will help you create a team that delivers results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to PM Aspirant for more project management insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.